Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. First I want to thank you all for tuning in today. I hope you all are enjoying your day. And we're out here getting with it this morning. The ground's frozen up. We got the Pioneer hooked up to the Firewood trailer. We're going to go get us some firewood while it's not so muddy out. I figured I'd take you all along with us. So stick around and I hope you all enjoy. We've been doing a little splitting there, trying to get a stockpile for next year. We burned cherry in the house, and also plan on selling some bundles this year. So we've got a fair amount there. We split it pretty small. It seems to burn really well for the campers. They enjoy it, and it's easy to handle there in the house. We're gonna head up on the ridge there, and we'll get some of this firewood brought in. All right, that'll sure keep you warm. We got a pretty nice load of wood there. We're gonna go ahead and take it back down off the hill and get it to the boiler. Sure is heavy back there. Chickies. Yep, supply is looking a little sparse out here. It's just been so muddy. I hate, as you can see, it's actually thawing out on me, but it's in our backyard and I don't want to make a mess of it. So we try to just get it in when we can. And then for bedding, whenever I plane down rough cut pine, I keep it, and it goes in the chicken coop. Works really good. Kind of gotta be quiet in here. Don't want to disturb the ladies. And you better not be in here snagging eggs. He's been known to enjoy doing that. Much better for him. So we stapled the plastic up over the screen there just to keep some heat in. And this is just a LED light bulb to give them some more daylight hours. Always put your lights on a safety tether too, in case if they were to slip off the clamp or something, they're not going to come down and cause a fire. After we clean the coop, check back in on the wood boiler. Put some small stuff in there, get it going good, and the ugly looking stuff.